Today we are going to make this simple yet delicious banana bread. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. In a bowl, mash 3 ripe bananas. You can either use a fork, potato masher, or a mixer like I'm doing in the video. Then add 2 eggs, 3/4 cup sugar, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix well. Add ½ cup oil. Mix. Then add 1½ cup flour, ½ teaspoon baking powder, ½ teaspoon baking soda, and 1 tablespoon cornstarch. Mix until everything is well incorporated. Add in a cup of chopped walnuts and 4 tablespoons chocolate chips and stir using a spatula. Pour your mixture into a well-greased and lined loaf tin. I'm also topping with chocolate chips, but it's completely optional. Bake in a preheated oven, 180 degrees Celsius for 45 to 55 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Once it's out of the oven, let it rest in the pan for 10 minutes. Remove from baking tin and let it cool completely. Now, it's ready to serve. This is literally the best banana cake recipe you'll ever make. Enjoy and see you on my next video.